As-salāmu ʿalaikum, dear friends. Today we embark on a journey through the remarkable world of honey, a substance celebrated in our sacred texts. Picture the buzzing bees, tirelessly working day and night to craft this elixir of life. As they collect nectar, they not only create a sweet treat, but also participate in a divine mission that showcases the intricate balance of nature. Each drop of honey is a testament to Allah's wisdom, revealing layers of benefits waiting to be uncovered. Honey's journey doesn't just end with the bees, it extends into our kitchens, where it serves as an essential ingredient in countless recipes. From drizzling it over warm toast to mixing it into smoothies, honey transforms ordinary meals into extraordinary delights. Imagine the golden hue of honey glistening on fresh fruits, enhancing their flavor while offering healing properties. Its versatility allows it to complement savory dishes as well, from marinades for grilled meats to natural sweeteners in salad dressings. Don't forget the joys of sharing homemade honey recipes with family, bridging generations through the love of this divine gift. The story of honey doesn't just stop at nourishment, it also extends to healing traditions passed down through generations. Embracing honey in our rituals and daily practices, we can cultivate a healthier lifestyle. In folk medicine, honey mixed with lemon is revered for alleviating coughs, while its soothing properties make it a staple for homemade remedies. As we explore these age-old practices, let's remember the deeper connection honey fosters between us and our faith. When we incorporate honey into our lives, we are embracing a gift from Allah that offers both sustenance and solace in our daily struggles. Let's not forget the beauty of honey's simplicity and its role in our daily lives. Each time we reach for a jar, we are reminded of the blessings that surround us, blessings that can easily be overlooked in our busy routines. Whether it's adding a touch of sweetness to a cup of tea or indulging in a spoonful before bed, honey invites us to pause and appreciate the moment. It's not just an ingredient, it's a catalyst for mindfulness, allowing us to connect with the essence of creation as we nourish our bodies and souls. By integrating honey into our rituals, we discover a deeper relationship with the divine and the natural world around us. Honey's significance reaches beyond mere delight. It encompasses a lifestyle choice that honors our faith and the blessings bestowed upon us. Imagine waking each day with intention, infusing your meals with this sacred resource. By doing so, we cultivate gratitude for Allah's creation. Choose methods that resonate with you, whether it's indulging in honey with warm milk for a restful night or using it as a natural sweetener to uplift your everyday dishes. Each ritual serves as a gentle reminder to recognize the miracle of honey, connecting us to the source of all goodness. It's not just about nourishment, it's about creating moments of connection, reflection, and appreciation in the whirlwind of life. As we delve deeper into honey's role in our lives, consider the spiritual aspects it embodies. Each jar represents more than a culinary delight. It symbolizes a divine connection, uniting us with our Prophet's wisdom. Imagine offering a small jar of honey as a gift to a neighbor, fostering bonds of community and kindness. Such acts illuminate the path of compassion, empowering us to spread positivity. By sharing honey, we not only nourish, but also sow seeds of unity and gratitude among those we cherish. Let's remember the ways honey can elevate our interactions, reminding us of our responsibility to uplift one another. Consider how honey can seamlessly integrate into our wellness routines. Add it to herbal teas, creating soothing infusions, or utilize it as a natural sweetener in your favorite smoothies. As we conclude this sweet exploration of honey, let us carry forward the teachings and wisdom it embodies. May we embrace honey not only as nourishment, but also as a symbol of healing and unity within our communities. Together, let us strive to honor Allah's creations, sharing the gift of honey to inspire gratitude and love in our lives.